Hi everyone. In today's video, we're diving into benzene, also known as benzol or cyclohexatrine. It's a chemical surprisingly common in our lives, found in food, products, and industrial materials. While it's incredibly useful, it's also dangerous, so understanding it is essential. Benzene's formula is C6H66 carbon atoms in a hexagonal ring, each bonded to one hydrogen. This structure makes it highly reactive and versatile in industry but harmful to health. Benzene can contaminate food through industrial processes, packaging, or the environment. In 2006, the FDA found benzene levels exceeding 5 parts per billion in sodas like Safeway Select Diet Orange and Crush Pineapple. It's also found in pickles, lime juice, and salad dressings due to preservatives or packaging. Smoked and canned foods from processing methods, hops extracts in beer and supplements. And fruits, vegetables, dairy, and nuts, though at lower levels. Packaging can also leach benzene into products, adding another risk. Despite the risks, benzene is needed in many industries. It's used to make polystyrene plastics for insulation and packaging, nylon fibers for clothing and industrial tools, and adhesives and building materials. Back then, it was added to gasoline to help efficiency, but is now mostly banned. It's also vital in pharmaceutical production. Benzene is a carcinogen, causing cancer even at low exposures. Long-term exposure damages bone marrow, leading to anemia, immune issues, and leukemia. Women may experience reproductive problems like irregular periods. Recently, recalls of sunscreens, dry shampoos, and acne treatments were linked to benzene contamination. Some over-the-counter medications, like generic Mucinex, have also been flagged. To protect public health, the EPA limits benzene in drinking water to 5 parts per billion. OSHA caps workplace exposure at 1 part per million over 8 hours, and the FDA plans to phase benzene out of medications by 2026. These measures aim to reduce exposure, but ongoing monitoring is key. Load 50 measures the dose needed to kill 50% of a test population. Oral exposure in rats is approximately 2,000 milligrams per kilogram. Skin exposure in rabbits is greater than 9.4 milliliters per kilogram, and inhalation exposure in rats is approximately 10,000 ppm over 7 hours. Short-term exposure causes dizziness and confusion. Long-term exposure leads to cancer and immune suppression. Benzene impacts the environment too. Industrial emissions contribute to smog and respiratory issues, while spills contaminate water, harming aquatic life and even drinking supplies. In soil, benzene reduces fertility and damages plants. Low-income communities near industrial sites often face higher exposure, raising ethical concerns about environmental justice. Transparency and stricter regulations are critical. In summary, benzene is a double-edged sword, vital for industry but hazardous to health and the environment. By learning about its uses and risks, we can push for safer policies. Thanks for watching. Stay informed and stay safe.